Hello everyone and welcome back to Get English Fit. Today we are looking at ordinal numbers, in particular ordinal numbers from the 1st to the 31st, months and years. So by the end of today's lesson you should be able to say the date in English. Be sure to watch until later in the lesson so that I can teach you the difference between how we say the date in English and how we write it. So first of all, what are ordinal numbers? Well, cardinal numbers are 1, 2, 3. But ordinal numbers are a little bit different and they help us to understand the position or order of something or someone. Ordinal numbers are most commonly used for dates in English so that we can indicate what day of the month it is. So, let's have a look at ordinal numbers from the 1st to the 31st. I would like you to listen and repeat after me. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. Well done. When we write ordinal numbers, we sometimes use the word form and sometimes we use the number form. When writing the number, we must remember to add the 2 letters after it to indicate that it is an ordinal number. So let's look at the number 1, which as an ordinal number would be first. Notice the last 2 letters, ST. Well, it is those 2 letters that we add to the number form, 1ST. 2 becomes second, so the word is second. The last 2 letters are ND, which we add to the number form, 2ND. Third, the last 2 letters are RD, and with the number 3 we would write RD. Fourth finishes with TH, so we write TH after the number 4. And this continues 5th, 6th, 7th, etc. until we reach the number 21. Because again, we must use first. So we would say 21st, 22nd with ND, 23rd with RD, and then again 24th TH, 25th th until we reach 30th. Then we would use the 31st using the st for first, 31st. A few common mistakes that students make are with the spelling of 5th and 12th. So be sure to notice how we write those words. Now let's move on and look at the months of the year. There are 12 months, and I would like you to listen and repeat the months after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Well done. Okay, so now I think we can continue to the years. The years in English follow different rules depending on when we are talking about. So, all of the years before 2000 we would read as two numbers. So, for example, 1856, 1923, 1977. But when we get to the year 2000, we cannot say 2000. We must say 2000. And this continues 2001, 2002, all the way to 2010 when we have options. We can say 2010 or 2010, 2011 or 2011, all the way until this year when we can say 2020 or 2020. So let's practice some years together. I would like you to listen and repeat them after me. 1325, 1594, 1622, 1753, 1868, 1992, 2003, 2007, 2011 or 2011, 2020 or 2020. So now we want to put all of that information together so that we can say the date in English. The question could be, what is the date today? Or what's the date today? So listen and repeat. What is the date today? What's the date today? We would respond, today is Sunday, the 15th of November 2020. You might also respond with it is or it's. It's Sunday, the 15th of November 2020. If you want to ask about a specific date or occasion, you might ask, when is Valentine's Day? I would respond, Valentine's Day is on the 14th of February. When is Christmas Day? Christmas Day is on the 25th of December. Something you need to know is that it is not necessary to write all of the words that we say. So with the example from before, today is Sunday the 15th of November 2020, when we write that, we can take out the and of. So we would write today is Sunday 15th November 2020. Something else to remember is that we always use a capital letter for days of the week and months of the year. So notice a capital S for Sunday and a capital N for November. So now let's practice. I would like you to listen and repeat the dates after me. The 12th of January 1924. The 1st of December 1991. The 16th of August 2006. Thursday, the 19th of November 2020. If you have found today's lesson useful and would like to continue learning English with me, then please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.